Hello and welcome to the Lincolnshire Wolds on this very fine Thursday morning. This is a bank holiday weekend, the Jubilee weekend, and I've sneaked out this morning while I'm child free to come and visit some of the fantastic work that's going on in the River Raise catchment. So I'm going to turn the camera around and take you and show you a field bund. So here we are, you can see this beautiful rolling landscape. And our contractors, Creative Nature, have been working with the Lincolnshire Chalk Streams project, and Leslie Sharp, one of our farm advisors, and the fantastic landowners here at South Willingham to install this fantastic natural flood management feature. Now this is called a field bund, and as you can see, we're right at the bottom corner of the field. And if you look at these fantastic rolling hills, this is where the rainfall comes down heavily in extreme events, straight into the tributary of the River Raise. So this is the south arm of the River Raise that we're on, and this huge field bund, I can try and capture the height of it. It's about 1 metre tall, and this purpose of this field bund is to help slow the flow, so the water will pool up here at the bottom of this fantastic sunny hillside, and then we have a pipe just in the middle here. Hear the fantastic bird calls. I don't know if my phone's picking up on that. And then this pipe will slowly allow the water to feed back into the chalk stream that's at the back there. And I'm stood at the bottom of this fantastic hillside. What a stunning view for this morning. Just walk you along the rest of it. So this will grass over with time. It's been freshly dug this past few days by our contractors, who've still got the bits and bobs out. We've still got another field bund to complete in this project that we're using funding from the Green Recovery Challenge Fund, working with the Heritage Lottery. And we've got a pond feature to go in on the bank side, another field bund, and we've got 17 leaky barriers. So this landowner's been absolutely brilliant, allowing us to do all this work on their farm right up in the headwaters of the River Raise catchment, as we work with nature to try and slow the flow down in this fantastic chalk stream. So I hope you enjoyed that. Any more questions, do feel free to ask them below. Myself and my colleague Will be more than happy to answer them, and we do hope you'll join us on some of our events in Market Raising. Okay, enjoy the sunshine. Bye.